everyone and welcome to PE with Alex. Today we are going to do a cool down activity called Windstorms. What it's going to involve is a lot of swaying of our upper body, and then also we're going to do some breathing exercises at the same time. First thing you need to do is make sure that you're sat or lying down on a nice comfortable surface. So my floor here is a bit hard, so I've got an outdoor chair cushion that I'm going to use. You might want to use a yoga mat, or you might have a carpet floor that would be better for this. So the way this windstorm activity is going to work is that we're going to pretend we're the branches on some trees. So in the wind they're going to move in different ways. So there's 4 different ways I'm going to show you today. And while we're doing those, I want you to think about your breathing. So you're going to take some deep breaths in, and then release that breath in and give a bit of a harder blow out to mimic the wind. Right, let's get started. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is swaying above our head. So we're going to sway from side to side like this. When we're doing that, we do need to think about our breathing, so we're going to take a deep breath in, and then release it and blow out a bit harder to mimic that wind. If you're lying down for this one, okay, you can have your arms above your head like this and sway from side to side. Okay, above your head. Do one arm if it's more comfortable, and then you can always repeat this later. It's up to you really, whatever's comfortable. So I'm going to start the timer. So do 20 seconds, then we get a 20-second rest, and I'll show you the next one. So arms up above your head and sway. Right, so that was our first one. Next one we're going to do, we're going to have our arms up above our head again, and we're going to come down, okay? Like so. If we're laying down, so the arms come up, and then down to our side again. Ready? Let's go. Arms up. Don't forget about your breathing. So that was up and down. Next one we've got is going to be side to side, low. So side to side, low. For you guys lying down, so it's across your body. Okay, ready, let's go. So across. So one way and then the other. Okay, right, and then our final one is going to be arms out in front, then out to the side. Okay, same for you guys lying down. So out to the side, meet at the top. Might be. Okay, so that was our windstorm cool down. Hope you've enjoyed this cool down. It's a nice way to just relax your body again and get your breathing controlled. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!